How to unfollow someone on Heyday. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily unfollow a friend on Heyday. So first of all, launch open the Heyday application to get started, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you'll then be able to see your friends list. Go ahead and tap on the book icon at the bottom left and then click on followers or any other tab. Now, you will be able to see the person that you are following on Heyday. To unfollow them, click on the unfollow button, tap again to confirm, and you have now unfollowed the contact right away. So that is how you easily do it. That way you can easily unfollow someone on Heyday in just a few simple taps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.